Hi, this video is going to be on the plot of The Tempest. Now, the play has lots of interlinked storylines, and this is typical of a Shakespearean play, and it's also considered to be one of Shakespeare's tragicomedies. And this in part is because the play opens up with a rather sombre tone, and it feels like the opening to a tragedy, and this in part is because of Prospero's storm he conjures up at the beginning of the play. He makes all the characters spread across the islands, and this helps to establish a key conflict in the play, which is the murder plots, so the plots to murder Alonso and Prospero. And because of this, we call this our rising action, because it establishes a key conflict and helps to build suspense. And this therefore takes us to our climax of the play. So we have all of this build up from the murder plots, which takes us to the magical banquets, and this is a turning point in the play because Ariel scares the characters out of following through with these plots. And after this we have what is called our falling action, and this is when things start to become resolved in the play. So we have peace between Alonso and Prospero, and we also have Prospero's dukedom being restored. And after this we are taken to our comedy element of the tragicomedy, and this is the engagement of Mirando and Ferdinand, and this is considered to be a stereotypical Shakespearean comedy ending. So hopefully you can see how you can follow the plot to see how The Tempest is considered to be a tragicomedy. Thanks for listening.